Featured in the first episode of the BBC's World's Most Dangerous Roads and on Ice Road Truckers. The Dalton Highway is a treacherous 414-mile road through unforgiving territory. Starting just north of Fairbanks, it heads almost directly north to Prudhoe Bay above the Arctic Circle. Who would have the courage to make that journey, let alone in a 31 Ford Model A? None other than Gerald in his 31 slant-window Ford Model A, powered by the ReEngineered Burtz Block engine. Dave stated, "The road is known for being rough, and the truck traffic rolls pretty fast. I do not have the suspension to keep up with them. All vehicles must take extreme precaution when driving on the road and drive with headlights on at all times. There are quite a few steep grades, up to 12% along the route as well. The chances of glass breakage are high, and mechanical breakdown could be extremely expensive when factoring the costs to be transported back to Fairbanks for repairs or a worse home." All this was in my mind, but I got to thinking, how cool to add the northernmost point in Alaska, including Dead Horse and Prudhoe Bay, to my travels. I talked to many people that did the drive, and many had flat tires or frame damage to their campers. Some said you can do it, others said don't. Already in Alaska, after driving all the way from Minnesota in my Burtz Block engine Ford Model A, I decided if I don't do the drive now, I would regret it after the trip is complete. The drive was intense, as I knew the drive could end with one bad pothole, said Dave. The car and camper held up to the task. I made it to Dead Horse on the north slope, as far as you can drive. What a trip, Dave said. I now have a little over 36,000 miles on my Burtz Block engine. It has been running well, and I am very satisfied with the Burtz Block. Congratulations, Dave. We loved hearing about your incredible trip, and we look forward to hearing about more Ford Model A journeys with the Burtz Block engine. The Burtz Block, like the original, only better.